Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create pivot table in Excel for beginners. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So to create pivot table, simply select the entire data. To select the data, you can just use the mouse and drag and select here the entire data. The second way, simply select the inside the cell and you can use here the shortcut key Control A to select your entire data. Then go to the Insert tab. In Tables group, have a pivot table option. Just click on this arrow and select the first option from table or range. Just click on it and here you can see the one dialog box is open, pivot table from table or range. Here the range is automatically selected, then select the new worksheet option. Choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. So here select the new worksheet. So click on OK and that's it. Your new worksheet is added with the pivot table fields. Okay. With this, the two tab also here added, pivot table analysis and design tab. So you can use the different formatting option and you can use the different option to create the different way your pivot tables. Okay. Here you can see the pivot table fields. You can easily add here the fields, drag the fields between the areas below. So areas in the first is the filters, second is the columns and rows and the values. You can add values here, values column here and others columns you can add the any area. Okay. So I just add one column. So this is my product column. So I drag with the mouse and add in rows. You can see the product is add in rows. Okay. So now I add the category in rows. Okay. Now I add the values, means sales amount in values. Okay. Values column. You can see. So values here also added. Okay. So here I add the quantity also. So quantity, just drag and add the quantity here. You just click on this option. Okay. Just click on this fields and you can add easily here. So you can see the region also added here. If you want to remove it, just click on this arrow and you can easily remove these fields. If you want to move anywhere in different area, suppose I want to move the category in filters area, then you just keep cursor on the fields and just drag with the mouse and move anywhere. Okay. And the second is simply you just right click on this any column fields. Okay. And there are some option you can see the add report filters. It means it will be add in filter area. Add row labels. It means it will be add in rows area. Add to column labels means column area. Add to values mean add the values area. Okay. So I'm going to add here add to report filter means in filter. You can see here the filter is added. Okay. So just click on this arrow. Here you can see there are some option also. If you want to move up in date, if you want move up and category down, just click on the move up. See, date is a first filter, second is a category. Okay. And this way also here, just click on this arrow. If you want to move to the report filter, if you want to filter, move this filter area, so you can move it. If you want to move the rows labels, row area, so you can move. If you want to move the column labels, you can move the column labels. See, in column labels, quantity is moved. Okay, again, I just click on it and move to the values. Okay, so this is the way you can choose the different fields, okay, to create the pivot table. Okay, and just click on this arrow. There are some option move, resize, the close. So this will, if you want to close, just close it. If you want to open again, just click on the inside your pivot table and go to the pivot table analysis and click on the field list in show group field list option. You can see the field list is open again. Okay. So here you can use the different pivot style also. Just click on pivot table and go to this design tab and in pivot table style, just click on this arrow and you can choose here the different themes here. So you can select the different styles You can see the changes on the pivot table. Just click on it and your pivot table style is totally changed. Okay. So your pivot table is ready. So again, I show you the one more option here in pivot table analysis. Okay. If you want to move this pivot table anywhere, you can easily move it. Just click on the move pivot table. Okay. And move pivot table. Choose where you want to the pivot table report to be placed. So if you want a new worksheet, okay, existing. So I want existing worksheet. Then select the location. Then click on this arrow and select the cell where you want to move. So I want to move here. Okay. Then click on this arrow again and click on OK. That's it. Your pivot table is moved. See. So this way you can move your pivot table. Okay. If you want to check the details of pivot, just double click on it. See the one details sheet automatically added. So all details here you can check. Again, I want to check the laptop. Sales amount is 2,63,000 and 16 quantity. So I want to check the where is the 16 quantity cell. So you can check in details here showing date, product, category as per your data. So you can check accordingly. Okay. That's it. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.